say in Norway, good morning. So today is 1st of May and today is season opening in Norway officially. So now I'm in gathering place and all the bikes are just now getting here, and after 40 minutes or something then we will go on the big ride. So the plan is come from here from Klepp, go to all the way to Egersund and come back. So the 1 year I was here it was approximately 2000 or more than 2000 bikes, so we'll see how it will be this year. I'm very excited, and actually I'm driving today with my Royal Enfield Himalayan, so let's get into it. So you want to see how it looks like here, how it likes to be an owner of a motorcycle and participate in an event like this? I'll show you in a moment. So there are a lot of bikes. I estimate some 1,000 or 2,000 or maybe more, because it's like loads and loads of those motorcycles. Big, small, big engines, small engines, like all kind of. That's very cool feeling. The best part about this, when we're all together, when we all will gather, then we will start to ride. So, and it will be like huge, you know, in one row the motorcycles just will take over the road, and then you can naturally say we are the kings of the road. So if you still don't have a motorcycle, then I suggest you to get a driver license and just buy one. And as you see, old bikes, new bikes, such a cool feeling, such a cool feeling. As you saw, there are a lot of bikes to choose from, and it's like candy shop for a man, or like for motorcycle lovers. I mean, because it's like eyes are flying to this side, that side, like there are rusty bikes and shiny bikes, like all are amazing. So, but now we will just cut all through this blah blah blah, and we actually let's get drive. So looks like party's starting. We are about to go.